This video is to show you how to use the comfort access features in your car and access your car hands-free. To get to the comfort access settings of your car, you simply go to Car, Settings, and then Doors and Access. From here, you can access all kinds of settings for the car, whether or not the car chimes or blinks when you unlock or lock the car, whether or not the mirrors fold in when the car is locked, or if the car unlocks when you reach the end of a trip. The Doors and Access page is also where you can set the proximity settings for the car, to where you can set the car to unlock when you're walking towards it and lock when you're walking away. And these are based on how close the fob is to the vehicle. This is also where you can activate your digital key card. Now, most of the time these are already activated when you've purchased your new vehicle, but just in case, you can activate the card by taking the small little credit card looking thing, putting it in the tray, hitting activate, and it'll activate. Very simple. Another feature that you can get to from this page is your settings for your trunk openings. You can either have the top or bottom tailgates if you're in an X5 or an X7, and then for any other vehicle it'll just be the top tailgate, and you can adjust how high or how low. One absolutely fabulous feature of the Comfort Access system is the foot activated tailgate, where you simply kick to open or close the tailgate, and make sure that your foot is lined up with the BMW roundel because the sensor is right underneath. Now here's an example of the proximity lock and unlock. The key is in my pocket, so I'm not pushing any buttons. And see, when I walk to the car, it unlocked, and then I'll walk away from the car, and it locks. This is how you would use your digital key card to enter the car. You simply lay it on the door handle, and then to start the car, you put it on the pad in the middle, push the start button just like you would if your regular fob was in the car. Thank you for watching, and thank you for being a part of the Century BMW family.